Good morning, class. So, what do we have here, Brandon? What is this?
We have change.
A bag of
Coins.
chains, yeah. Alright, so how much, do you have any idea how much you think might be in here?
Maybe $4.
Could be $4. Alright, so at the end of the week, we're going to do a few lessons, and then at the end of the week, we're going to figure out how much change is actually in here.
Okay.
So we'll set this aside for now. So I'm going to give you some change here. I want you to try to find a penny. Yeah, there you go. That is a penny. So if you look at this penny, what kind of things do you notice about it?
It has a picture of Abraham Lincoln on it.
Yeah, very smart. What about the other side?
It has what looks like a shield on the back.
Yeah, so how can we use these in the future, these things we've noticed,
How can we use these?
when we're dealing with change?
We can differentiate which coins are which.
Yeah, exactly. So what I want you to do is draw a penny. It doesn't have to be extremely accurate. Draw a penny, and then do you have any idea how much a penny is worth?
1 cent.
Yeah, so draw a penny.
Okay.
And then write how much it's worth underneath that. Good. So now we're gonna move on to the next coin. Can you find a nickel in there?
I sure can.
So what do you notice about the nickel?
The nickel is silver.
Yeah.
It looks like.
What color was the penny?
Copper.
Yeah. What other characteristics do you notice about the nickel?
It's got a picture of a different dude on the front,
Yeah.
which I don't know who that is.
What about the size of it
It's
compared
bigger.
to the penny? Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the penny. Do you know what's on the back of it here?
It looks like some sort of the Monticello,
Some sort of building?
some sort of building.
Yeah, so can you draw the nickel on there like you did with the penny? There you go, a little bit bigger than that one. So for the penny, we noticed that it had a picture of Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah.
And on the back, it had a shield. And it's copper. And then for the nickel, it was silver. Different guy. And a little bit bigger than the penny, right, as we saw?
Yeah.
Okay, so what about the dime? How many cents is a dime worth?
10.
Yeah, 10 cents. So what do we notice about this one?
It's got a picture of a different dude,
Yeah,
and it's smaller than the penny. It looks like
yeah.
somewhat smaller than a nickel.
So it's,
Maybe the same size as a penny.
I think it's a little bit smaller than the penny.
Yeah, it's a little bit smaller.
Yeah, so this is the smallest coin. So can we draw the dime on there. And then write how much it's going to be worth. Alright, so then the next coin. This is our biggest one. What do you notice about this one?
That one is.
Do you know who's on that one?
That's George Washington.
Yeah, George Washington.
And it looks. It's silver,
Yeah.
and on the back it looks like there's some.
If we look at all these different quarters, are they the same on the back or different?
They're all different.
Yeah, so each quarter has a different thing on the back honoring a different state. So let's draw the front of the quarter on here. And how many cents is a quarter worth?
25.
Yeah.
That is a terrible drawing.
Alright, so we're gonna pick up with this tomorrow, so you can go ahead and put this piece of paper that we've drawn all the quarters on, you can put it in your folder, and we can bring that out tomorrow to refresh our memories on what we learned today.
Okay.